Does corruption hold the key to understanding the gap between India's potential and its reality? The answer may surprise you. Welcome back to Discovery Bites, where today we're delving into the role of non-corrupt government services in India's development. India, a vibrant tapestry of diversity, a rich cultural heritage, and an untapped wellspring of potential. As the globe's most populous democracy, it has made strides in a multitude of sectors. Yet one stumbling block in its path to progress remains corruption. Corruption, a deeply entrenched issue, often throws a spanner in the works, leading to misused resources. Funds that should be channeled into public welfare projects disappear, leaving vital services under-resourced and the citizenry underserved. Now, picture a different scenario where government services function with transparency, accountability, and efficiency. A vision wherein public funds find their true purpose. Infrastructure projects finish on schedule, and essential services are readily accessible to citizens. This is where non-corrupt government services can become a game changer. When officials are committed to the public good, policies find effective implementation, and public resources are judiciously allocated. This creates a climate ripe for economic growth and societal development. A non-corrupt government cultivates a favorable economic landscape. Both foreign and domestic investors are more inclined to invest in a nation with clear-cut governance, leading to economic growth, job creation, and improved living standards for its people. Education, healthcare, and other essential services thrive in the absence of corruption. With funds correctly directed, the government can invest in robust infrastructure, ensuring quality education and accessible healthcare for all citizens. A government free of corruption engenders trust among its citizens. When people have faith in their leaders and institutions, they're more likely to actively engage in civic activities, fostering a sense of national pride and unity. In conclusion, the vision of a non-corrupt government is crucial to India's development. By tackling corruption head-on, the nation can unleash its true potential, leading to economic prosperity, societal well-being, and a brighter future for the generations to come. So, let's strive for a corruption-free India, where the true spirit of democracy thrives and the nation stands as a beacon of development and prosperity. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discovery Bites for more intriguing insights. Together we can support a brighter, corruption-free future for India.